Have you ever wondered why energy, stamina, and intimacy seem to fade as the years go by? For many men, the real reason isn't just age, it's circulation. When the tiny veins that carry blood through your body, including the most sensitive areas, become clogged or less flexible, everything slows down. You may feel weaker, less confident, or frustrated when it matters most. But here's the good news. Nature has given us simple, powerful tools to fight back. In fact, some everyday fruits sitting right in your kitchen can help restore blood flow, clean out your veins, and bring back a sense of vitality you thought was lost. These fruits aren't exotic or expensive. They're natural remedies that science has shown to support better circulation, energy, and even intimacy. In this video, we'll explore 4 incredible fruits that can help unclog your veins, boost confidence, and improve your quality of life after 60. Stay with me until the end, because the 4th fruit might surprise you the most, and could be the missing piece you've been looking for. Fruit number 1, pomegranate, the natural nitric oxide booster when it comes to unclogging veins and restoring healthy circulation. Few fruits are as powerful as the pomegranate. This ancient fruit, often called a symbol of vitality, has been used for centuries, but modern science now confirms its remarkable benefits for men over 60. Makes pomegranate so special is its ability to increase nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide works like a natural signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and open wider, allowing blood to flow more freely. As men age, nitric oxide production drops, which can lead to sluggish blood flow, cold extremities, and challenges during intimate moments. But pomegranate helps reverse that trend. Packed with antioxidants like punicalagin, it not only keeps blood vessels flexible, but also reduces inflammation that leads to clogs. Imagine your veins like pipes in a house. When they get stiff or narrowed, water can only trickle through. But with the help of pomegranate, those pipes open up, letting blood move smoothly all the way to the areas where confidence and connection begin. In fact, studies show older men who drank pomegranate juice daily experienced improved circulation. Some even reported feeling more youthful in their relationships. The best part? Adding it to your diet is simple. Sprinkle fresh seeds on your morning oatmeal. Sip a glass of unsweetened juice or blend it into a smoothie. With every ruby red seed, you're not just eating fruit. You're investing in your energy, confidence, and long-term vitality. Fruit number 2, blueberries. Strengthening the smallest veins at first glance, blueberries may seem like just a sweet little snack. But these tiny berries are actually a powerhouse for your circulation. Their secret lies in a compound called anthocyanins, the pigment that gives blueberries their deep blue color. These nutrients act like natural protectors for your smallest blood vessels, known as capillaries. As men get older, these delicate vessels often weaken and lose flexibility, which means blood doesn't always reach every part of the body the way it should. That can show up as slower recovery after exercise, fatigue, or problems with intimacy. Blueberries step in as nature's repair crew. They strengthen vessel walls, reduce inflammation, and improve elasticity so blood flows freely to even the most sensitive areas. Think of it like reinforcing tiny bridges throughout your body, making sure every pathway stays strong and open. There's real science here too. Studies show that regular blueberry consumption improves vascular function, especially in older adults. One gentleman I spoke with, an 82-year-old named Frank, started eating a cup of blueberries each morning. Within weeks, he noticed warmer hands and feet, better stamina on walks, and renewed confidence at home with his wife. The best part? Blueberries are easy to enjoy. Fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, just a handful a day is enough to make a difference. They even support memory and mood so you feel more present and connected. Simple, affordable, and powerful, blueberries prove that sometimes the smallest fruit brings the biggest results for your veins, energy, and intimate health. Fruit number 3, watermelon. Nature's source of citrulline. Few fruits bring as much joy as a slice of watermelon on a hot day. Sweet, juicy, and refreshing. It feels like a treat. But beyond its taste, watermelon hides a powerful secret for men's health, a compound called citrulline. Citrulline is a natural amino acid that your body converts into arginine, which then boosts nitric oxide levels. Remember, nitric oxide is what helps blood vessels relax and widen, making it easier for blood to flow freely throughout the body. For men over 60, this is critical because blood flow is directly linked to energy, stamina, intimacy. Imagine your veins as roads. Over time, traffic builds up and movement slows. Citrulline acts like adding extra lanes to those roads, easing congestion and restoring smooth circulation. One gentleman I heard about, George, a retired teacher in his 70s, began eating watermelon regularly after his doctor suggested natural options. Within a few weeks, he felt more energized during walks, less muscle soreness, and even a renewed spark with his wife. Science backs this up too. Studies show watermelon consumption improves arterial function and lowers blood pressure in older adults. And because it's so hydrating, it also prevents thick, sluggish blood that struggles to move through veins. The beauty of watermelon is its simplicity. Enjoy a couple of slices a day, blend it into juice or pair it with other fruits like blueberries. Each bite not only refreshes you, but also nourishes your circulation, helping restore vitality and confidence in the most natural way possible. Fruit number 4, grapes. Protecting veins with polyphenols. Grapes may look simple, but inside each small globe is a treasure of circulation-boosting compounds. The most powerful is resveratrol, found mainly in the skin of red and black grapes. Resveratrol works like a natural shield for your blood vessels. It protects them from plaque buildup, keeps them flexible, and reduces inflammation that slowly narrows your veins over time. As men age, small blood vessels can stiffen, limiting blood flow where it matters most for stamina and intimacy. Grapes act like gentle cleaners, sweeping away oxidative stress and supporting smooth circulation. Think of your veins as garden hoses. Over the years, buildup inside makes water trickle instead of flow. Grapes, with their antioxidants, help clear those hoses so blood moves freely again. The results can be life-changing. Walter, an 80-year-old retired firefighter, began eating a cup of grapes daily. Within weeks, he noticed warmer hands, less stiffness, and a stronger sense of confidence with his wife. Beyond intimacy, grapes provide quick natural energy from their sugars and fiber, helping you stay active without the crashes of processed snacks. They even aid digestion, ensuring nutrients reach every part of the body efficiently. To maximize benefits, eat grapes whole, skin and all, or freeze them for a refreshing treat. Red and black varieties are richest in polyphenols, but all grapes offer value. With every handful, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're strengthening your veins, lifting your mood, and investing in long-term vitality and connection. As you can see, the path to better circulation and renewed vitality doesn't have to be complicated. 4 simple fruits: pomegranate, blueberries, watermelon, and grapes. Each bring unique nutrients that unclog veins, improve blood flow, and restore energy where it matters most. They aren't exotic medicines or expensive treatments, but everyday foods you can add to your diet starting today. Think of them as nature's quiet healers, working behind the scenes to rebuild strength, confidence, and intimacy. And remember, it's not about quick fixes. It's about steady, consistent habits that slowly turn back the clock. Many men discover that by making these small daily changes, they feel younger, more alive, and more connected than they have in years. So why not give your body the gift of natural circulation support? Start with just 1 fruit a day, and let time and consistency do the rest. Your veins, your relationships will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living stronger and healthier at any age.